Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. Friends, in this video we will talk about yesterday 6th September 2021 coding question. Okay, so coding question name is count of all permutations, right? Coding question name is count of all permutation. Okay friends, or if you not join our Telegram channel, friends, please go and join this channel because here we update the hiring material and many things are there in our group. So go and check, and if link is not work, that is given in the description, so you can go to the Telegram and search the Priyanshu Placement Solution है ना @Priyanshu Placement Solution. So you will get the our Telegram channel है ना. And friends, if you not subscribe our YouTube channel, friends, please go and subscribe as soon as possible and don't forget to click bell icon button, because friends, whenever we upload any placement material, anything, so you will get the notification and updated, right? So let's discuss. So friends, let's discuss. This question is asked in yesterday. It means friends 6 September. Okay, 6 September को ये पूछा गया था. Okay friends, 2021, right? So let's discuss friends. A question is friends, count the permutation of a given string, right? Question is count a permutation of given string, friends. Okay, clear? I can just read the question. Question is, write a program to find or program to input string and display count of all permutation of string without using any built-in function. You no need to use any built-in function, right? So no need to use permutation combination, and that is means no use to use a permutation combination function. Okay friends, so let's discuss. For example, you have an input of string is, they will give you an input only one, right, in the format of string. Let's suppose you have a string abc, okay, and your output is 6. Output is 6. Then how 6 is come, let's discuss first. Okay, so if we permute abc string, then what are the permutations are there, friends? Abc, right? First is abc, next is acb, next is bca, next is bac, next cab, last one is cba, right? So these are the permutation, friends, that is come after word when we do the permutation of this word, right? So total count of this is 6. That's why friends 6 is there. Done. Let's move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. करना कैसे ये क्वेश्चन, friends? I just give you a logic है ना, then we will discuss code as well, no issue. So for example friends, if for example if you have a word, let's suppose a b b c, then friends how we find? First discuss how to find this. So friends, in our aptitude topic you will learn how to find the permutation of a given word. How we find? Total number of character upon repeating elements. How many repeating elements are there? There is no repeating elements are there, you know, all are come in one time. So we no need to find, no need to divide this thing, right? So answer is 6. But friends, in this string b is coming the 2 times, so total is 4 factorial. Divide by b 2 times are there, so 2 factorial. Done guys. So let's solve this. So 4 factorial is nothing but a 24, and 2 factorial is nothing but a 2, right? So when we divide, we get the answer is 12. Done. I hope you got it how 12 is come, right friends? So let's discuss first so how we solve this question. So I just remove all the things, है ना, सबको रिमूव करते हैं और लोगों को यहाँ बिठाते हैं. Yes. So let's discuss the question. So friend, question is, you have a given string abc, so you need to first take a input, right? In this question friends, you need to take an input, है ना, built-in function is not there, right? So you can take a input, है ना, input ले लेना. After that friends, after that you need to implement a factorial function, right? You need to implement a factorial function. So I will make either fact is a factorial function. You can take an argument n, then in the factorial function friends, you can put a base condition. If n equal to 1, then return 1, else return. This is friends basic factorial function है ना, return n multiply factorial of n minus 1. Done. So this is the factorial function. Okay, there you need to implement in your code. Okay friends, let's change the color. Okay, then after that friends, after हमने factorial function बना लिया, then how to do this? Now friends, you need to convert a given string to a unique elements string, and you can find this code on Google, right? We not discuss here every code, but yes we can do, है ना. So in the Python, if I talk about Python friends, है ना, गुस्सा मत हो, ठीक है. वीडियो को पूरा देखो, क्वेश्चन को समझो, कोड मिल जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट समझना जरूरी है, ठीक है. सो देखो क्या करना हैगा. सोचोगे पाइथन ही लेके बैठ जाते हो. सो पाइथन में क्या होता है, फंक्शन दिए रहते हैं ना थोड़े बहुत, तो उससे काम चल जाता है, बट यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट दिस फंक्शन, है ना. अगर आप दूसरी प्रोग्राम लैंग्वेज बना रहे हो तो यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट दिस फंक्शन, है ना. सो लेट सपोज वी हैव अ स्ट्रिंग AABC. Okay, let's suppose we have a string AABC. Okay friends, so let's suppose you need to find this string, you need to convert in, you can store this string in a or you can find a B string that is ABC. In that string friends, all elements are unique, right? All elements are unique. Okay, done. Then let's suppose we have a given this string. Okay, then after friends you can take this string, है ना. देन इस स्ट्रिंग को लेके क्या करना है, यू कैन अप्लाई और इम्प्लीमेंट अ फॉर लूप फॉर आई इक्वल टू 0, आई इज ग्रेटर देन, और यू कैन टेक अ डज नॉट इक्वल टू ए ऑफ आई, ठीक है. डज नॉट इक्वल टू, सॉरी, ए ऑफ आई, नॉट आई इक्वल टू ए ऑफ आई, राइट. सो ए ऑफ आई डज नॉट इक्वल टू null character, right? Null character, this is not a 10, this is a null character. Then I plus plus, है ना. Python student just simply write for I in range length of a, है ना. Python students write for I in range length of a in place of this. Okay, then after that friends you need to find the count, है ना. इस लेंथ तक चलाना है. किस लेंथ तक चलाएंगे हम, b की लेंथ तक. सॉरी यहाँ पे a लिख दिया है, b आएगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज we have a unique elements, right? In that friends b of I, you need to make a function of count, that is count the string in the count a alphabet in a given string. So let's suppose we discuss the here count function later, है ना, या फिर डिस्कस कर ही लेते हैं सबसे पहले. So let's discuss the count function first, then we will continue our main code. Okay, so how to make a count code friends, very easy. Let's suppose count str, this is a count string function. How you make, let's suppose this is a string and this is a character, है ना, this is a character. Now for I equal to 0, then not I, a of I, a is a string, a of I does not equal to null character, then I plus plus, है ना, this is I plus plus. Then after that friends, after that if, है ना, if a of I इक्वल टू कैरेक्टर, जो भी हमने कैरेक्टर पास किया है, देन हमें क्या करना है, आंसर प्लस इक्वल टू 1. ओके, आंसर प्लस इक्वल टू 1, डन. और वी जस्ट इनिशियलाइज हेयर बिफोर आफ्टर द फंक्शन दिस, है ना. इन दिस लाइन यू नीड राइट आंसर इक्वल टू 0. ओके, ans इक्वल टू 0. ओके, इन द लास्ट यू नीड टू रिटर्न, यू कैन रिटर्न द वैल्यू, है ना, return ans. Okay, an you need to return, right? Now this is the count string function, है ना. count word in a given string, right? This function is a count word in a given string, है ना. count string, count the word in a given string. Then after friends let's come to talk code, not talk, है ना. so इधर क्या करना है, let's suppose a of I, है ना. so for if you can put a condition, if a of I क्या, काउंट, है ना, काउंट करना है. तो लेट सपोज काउंट, वी यूज द काउंट फंक्शन, राइट. सो इफ काउंट स्ट्रिंग, काउंट str ऑफ a, है ना, वी हियर गिव द a नॉट b, है ना, बट हियर यू नीड टू गिव द b. ओके, a comma what is the character, b of I, right? character is b of I, right? why I take b of I or a, because friends in the a there are repeating element, है ना. we need to find the a, how many time a is occur in the a string, है ना, how many time b occur in this string, how many time c occur in this string. okay, so let's discuss, है ना. so first, what is the length of this a, length of a is 4. okay, so you know, yes 4. now we need to find the divide by elements, है ना. divide कितने से करना है वो हम find कर रहे हैं अभी. clear guys, we just find the divided element, कितना divide करना है in the total. okay, so वो भी हम find कर रहे हैं ना, we find these things, right? divided value, right? so after that friends, if काउंट स्ट्रिंग ऑफ ए कॉमा बी ऑफ आई इज ग्रेटर देन 1, 1 से अगर बड़ा हो तब क्या करना है फ्रेंड्स, at that time you just use the factorial function. How you use, let's suppose answer, or we just write a denominator, right, dem है ना, this is let's suppose n num और upon in upon value this is let's suppose dem, ठीक है, denominator, right. So dem plus equal to what, factorial of जितना भी इसने काउंट किया ना इसको एक स्ट्रिंग में रख लेना ऊपर, है ना, यू कैन पुट दिस इन अ पी इक्वल टू, राइट, काउंट ऑफ ए कॉमा बी ऑफ आई, राइट, ओके, देन यू कैन राइट हियर पी, ओके, दिस डन, एंड वी गेट द डिनोमिनेटर फ्रॉम दिस लूप, है ना. इन द आफ्टर फ्रेंड्स, इन द आफ्टर फिर क्या करना है आपको, देन फ्रेंड्स, यस, देन आफ्टर फ्रेंड्स आई जस्ट चेंज द कलर फॉर मेन ओनली, है ना, मेन में आपको फिर क्या लिखना है, आई जस्ट टेल इन द आफ्टर फ्रेंड्स, आफ्टर दिस यू नीड टू राइट आंसर, या फिर टेक अनदर वेरिएबल, लेट सपोज ANSWER, दिस इज द आंसर वेरिएबल, ठीक है, दिस इज द ANS वेरिएबल, राइट, इधर आंसर वेरिएबल इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ दिस, लेंथ ऑफ दिस इज नथिंग बट अ 4, है ना, you can find it, है ना. So length of a is nothing but a 4. So how we find this, so let's suppose you can make a length function as well, है ना, length of a divide by p, right. So this is the program you have to need to make, and answer you can print the answer, right, you can print the answer, okay. So this code you need to make. First what you need to do, अगर आपने स्टेप बाय स्टेप देखा होगा सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बट इफ यू स्किप द वीडियो एंड सी देन आई थिंक यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दिस कोड, हाउ वी डू दिस, है ना. लगातार देखा होगा तो आपको थोड़ा समझ में आया होगा, नहीं देखा होगा तो फ्रेंड्स पूरा आपको ऊपर से गया होगा क्या किया, स्किप करके देखा होगा तो, ठीक है. आई जस्ट टेल दी स्टेप्स, है ना, जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, है ना, वीडियो को पॉज करके इसको ट्राई कर लेना. आई जस्ट टेल द स्टेप्स ऑफ दिस, है ना, व्हाट वी डू इन दिस कोड, ओके. सो लेट्स डिस्कस द स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट फ्रेंड्स, in the first step friends, we just find the, in the first step we just make a factorial function, ठीक है, factorial function, first step fake the factorial function. In the next step what we do, we just make a count string function, or you can say it the count alphabet function, and no issue, you can give any name of it, है ना, alpha, count alpha or count string function we had implement here, right. Then after friends you need to implement a length function as well, which is find the length of the string, है ना, you can make a length function, right, which is find the length of the string, right, which is find the length of the string, right, which is find the length of the string. Then after that friends, come to main, here come to main function, right. So I just write the come to main function, है ना. In the fourth step we do the main function coding, है ना. In the fourth step we do main function coding. In the main function coding friends, what we have to do, हमने क्या किया, in the fifth step we just take a for loop. I just write the short code here, for, है ना, you need to make a unique element as well, है ना, you need to make a unique element function as well, हो ना, you need to make a unique elements, है ना, unique element. पाइथन में क्या करना, आप सेट कर देना, है ना, सेट ऑफ ए कर देना तो आपका यूनिक एलिमेंट्स आ जाएंगे, ठीक है, यूनिक एलिमेंट फंक्शन, ठीक है. देन आफ्टर वी कैन कम दी मेन, ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट अ 5 step and this is the 4th step, okay. This is the 4th step, कहाँ गया, yes. So this is the 4th step and this is the 5th step. Then come to main. After that come to main, you can use the unique element. Let's suppose in the B there are unique element, in the A there is a main string, okay. Input 1, okay, yes. Then in the main function friends, आपको पता ही को क्या करना है, यूनिक एलिमेंट के साथ एक फॉर लूप लगा देना, and you can count the values, है ना, you can count if the sorry guys. If the value is, sorry, if the alphabet is more than one in a given string, if the alphabet more than one time count of alphabet is more than one, then you can add denominator plus equal to factorial of that number, factorial of that count, है ना, जितना भी वो count आया, let's suppose p, and after that friends in the last you can make length, है ना, you can use this variable, है, third step, you again let's suppose n equal to whatever this function return, you can put in the n variable, then you can do factorial of n divide by denominator, ठीक है, denominator. This is your answer friends, this is nothing but your answer. Okay, if you have any doubt in these code friends, please ask me in comment, है ना. I hope you got it. this question कैसे करना है क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया होगा. Let's sorry guys. So I hope friends क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt query you can ask me in comment, और इसका फुल कोड बना लेना. अगर बनाने में कोई इशू आए तो फ्रेंड्स प्लीज लेट मी नो इन चैट बॉक्स. आई विल प्रोवाइड द फुल code in the next video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video friends. Let's meet on the next video. If you not subscribe our YouTube channel friends, please go and subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay friends, okay. So let's meet on the next video. Okay, if you not unable to make a code, first you just try. If you unable to make a code, then you just ask me. I will share the code of this question as well. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. Let's meet on the next video and don't forget to click bell icon button as well. Okay.